Hello guys, so we are bound to Indonesia. Kaya naman, dali-dali na kaming pumunta sa check-in counter ng Philippine Airlines. And we are at the Terminal 1. So, pagkakuha namin ng aming mga boarding passes and we were successfully able to check in our baggages. Papunta na kami sa immigration and kinabahan talaga ako ng konti sa immigration kasi matagal na yung last trip ko and now bigla na lang akong umalis and this is a non-visa country so medyo may extra precaution lang ang ating immigration office. And so, pumunta na kami sa gate 2 kasi doon kami magbo-board. And then, we were just waiting for our plane to arrive. Ayan, pababa na kami kung saan mag-aantay ang lahat ng passengers. Until nakapasok na kami sa loob ng Philippine Airlines na plane. Kasama ko si Mami. And then, pagkatapos noon, while waiting, of course, nandiyan yung ating very, very anticipated na chika